Hi everyone, this is Meena Sinamdar. Today we are going to learn about quadratic equation. In previous video we had learned about the standard form and the general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A should not be equals to 0. X is variable, a, b, c are any real number. Today we are going to learn about practice set 2.1. That means today we will solve practice set 2.1. Now come. So our first question is write any two quadratic equation. How we will write the quadratic equation? We know the standard form of quadratic equation. In that just we have to put the value of a, b and c. So first question, practice set 2.1. First, standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, instead of a, b, c we have to write any number. Okay, we can use any variable instead of x. So we will write answer. First equation, we are taking 3m square minus 2m plus 5 is equals to 0. You can write any number and any alphabet instead of variables. Minus 2 upon 3m square plus 5m plus 7 is equals to 0, or 7y square minus 10 is equals to 0. Here our value of b is 0. You can write any two equation from this. Now comes to the second question. Now see what is the second question. Second question is that decide which of the following are quadratic equation. First one is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equals to 0. This is standard form of the quadratic equation. Already it is in the standard form, so we can say it is a quadratic equation. Now come to the second. Second is y square is equals to 5y minus 10. Highest degree is 2. Now write in standard form. We will check. We will write it is in the index form. Index form is that first highest degree, this y will come on another side, 5y, 10 will come, becomes plus 10 is equals to 0. Now this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Highest degree is 2, one variable, that's why we can say it is a quadratic equation. What is the third? Third one is y square plus 1 upon y is equals to 2. First we will write it in the index form. We will check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Okay. Here y is in the denominator. We have to multiply this equation by y. First multiply, it becomes y square into y plus y into 1 upon y is equals to 2 into y, that is 2y. Now y square into y becomes y cube plus y cancel, 1 is equals to 2y. Write in the index form y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now highest degree is 3, that's why we will say it is not a quadratic equation. Now fourth question, x plus 1 upon x is equals to minus 2. We'll check that it is a quadratic or not. Now x in the denominator, that's why we have to multiply this equation by x. Now check x into x square plus x upon x into 1 upon x is equals to minus 2 into x. This x will get cancelled. Now write in the index form x square minus 2 becomes plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now it is a standard form of the quadratic equation. Highest degree is 2, having one variable, that's why we can say it is a quadratic equation. Now see fifth one. Fifth question is m plus 2 bracket m minus 5 is equals to 0. Now we have to multiply these two brackets and we have to check whether it is a quadratic or not. We know that how to multiply these brackets. In previous class we have done this. Okay, m into m square minus 5 plus 2, that means minus 3m, 5 2s are 10, plus minus minus 10 is equals to 0. Now this is the standard form of the quadratic equation having one variable, highest degree is 2. That's why we can say it is a quadratic equation. Now sixth question, m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equals to 3m square. Here indicating that highest degree of m is 3. We cannot say directly it is a quadratic or not. First we have to arrange this in index form. If m cube cancel, then we can say it is a quadratic, otherwise it is not a quadratic. Now first we will arrange this in an index form. Now take this 3m cube on left hand side. M cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equals to 0. 1m cube minus 3m cube becomes minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equals to 0. Now the highest degree of this equation is 3, that's why we can say it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so we have done our second question. Now come to the question number 3. What is the question number 3? Write the following equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c for each question, for each equation, sorry. Now what is the first one? 2y is equals to 10 minus y square. First we will arrange all the equation in the standard form, then we have to write the value of a, b, c. Take y square on left hand side, 10 also on left hand side, we will get y square plus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now it is in the standard form. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. By comparing we will get coefficient of square term is 1. Now what is the value of a is 1, value of b is 2 and value of c, don't write only 10, take with minus sign, value of c is minus 10. Like this we have to complete our third question. What is the next question? Next question is x minus 1 bracket square is equals to 2x plus 3. For checking, for writing in a standard form, we have to first solve the bracket x minus 1 bracket square. For that we will use formula a minus b bracket square. What is the formula? What is a minus b bracket square is equals to, so formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. By using this formula we will solve this bracket. X minus 1 bracket square is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to, write this value as it is, 2x plus 3. Now take this 2x plus 3 on left hand side, it becomes x square minus 2x plus 2x becomes minus 2x plus 1 plus 3 becomes minus 3 is equals to 0. Now x square minus 2 becomes minus 4x plus 1 minus 3, that means minus 2 is equals to 0. Now it is in the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now we will write the value of a, b and c. What is the value of a? A is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2. Now next question. Next is x square plus 5x is equals to minus 3 minus x. 3 minus x in the bracket, so we have to first multiply this bracket with minus sign, so it will be change all the sign inside, and x square minus x square plus 5x, right, as it is. X square plus 5x is equals to minus into 3 becomes minus 3 minus minus plus x. Take this both term on left hand side, it becomes x square plus 5x plus x becomes minus x minus 3 becomes plus 3 is equals to 0. Now x square as it is, 5x minus 1x, it becomes 4x, and bigger number sign is plus. Plus 3 is equals to 0. Now it is in the standard form. Again we have to write comparing. Sorry, we didn't write here comparing. You have to write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and then write value of abc. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore value of a is 1, value of b is 4, and value of c is 3. Okay, now next question is 3m square is equals to 2m square minus 9. We will check it is a correct. We will write in the standard form. Take 2m square minus 9 on left hand side. Okay. Now 3m square minus 2m square becomes only m square plus 9 is equals to 0. Now we have to write it in the standard form. M square, there is no second term, so we will write 0m plus 9 is equals to 0. Comparing with standard form, we will get a is equals to 1. Write the sentence comparing with the standard form. B is equals to 0 and c is equals to 9. A equals to 1, b equals to 0, and c equals to 9. Like this we had completed our question 4. Come to the next question. Question 5. P bracket 3 plus 6p is equals to minus 5. First we have to multiply p with bracket. We will get p into 3, 3p plus 6p square is equals to minus 5. Take this minus 5 on other side and write in the index form. 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equals to 0. 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equals to 0. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore a is equals to what? A is equals to 6, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 5. Now next question is x square minus 9 is equals to 13. Take 13 on the other side, it becomes x square minus 9 minus 13 is equals to 0. X square minus 9 minus 13 becomes minus 22 is equals to 0. Our second term is not here, so again we will write in the standard form. Then we will write 0. 0x minus 22 is equals to 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 0, and c is equals to minus 22. Like this we had completed our question number 3. Now come to the next question. Determine whether the value given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the quadratic equation. That means they had given you values of variable, we have to just put the values and check whether answer is 0 or not. If answer is 0, then it is a root. If answer is not 0, then it is not a root of equation. Root means what? Solution of the equation. Now you will solve and check. Question is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. We have to check x equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 1. Like this question we had done in previous year for the polynomial p of x, p of 1, p of 2, like this. Now we will check for value of x. We are putting x equals to 1. Put wherever x, we have to put 1. 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. Square of 1 is 1. 4 into 1, 4 minus 5. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Now this is our LHS, RHS. LHS and RHS are equal. So we can say x equals to 1 is the root of given equation. Now we'll check for x equals to minus 1. LHS is what? LHS is equals to x square plus 4x minus 5. Put x equals to minus 1. We are putting minus x bracket square plus 4 into minus value, that's why we are putting bracket minus 5. Minus 1 square 1 plus minus minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 5. Answer is minus 8. This is not equals to 0, so we can say it is not equals to RHS. That's why x equals to minus 1 is not a root of quadratic equation or given equation. Like this, we have to solve the next question. Next question is 2m square minus 5m is equals to 0. We have to check for value m equals to 2 and m equals to 5 upon 2. First we will check for m equals to 2. Now we had written to write LHS equals to 2m square minus 5m. We are taking value for m is 2. Put 2 wherever m. 2 into m is 2, therefore 2 square minus 5 into m means 2. 2 into square of 2 is 4 minus 5 2 is 10. 8 minus 10, answer is minus 2. Not equals to 0. So we'll write LHS not equals to RHS. Therefore m equals to 2 is not root of given equation. Now we'll check for value m equals to 5 upon 2. First write LHS 2m square minus 5m. We are writing for m equals to 5 upon 2. Put wherever m is there, we have to put 5 upon 2. Square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. 2 into square of 5 is 25 and square of 2 is 4. I'm writing in a bracket because it is in a multiplication. So how will write for if 5 is outside of the bracket, multiply upper numbers, do not multiply this 5 with 2. 5 5s are 25 upon 2. So can cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2, 25 upon 2. Both will get 25 minus 25. 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 get 0, which is equals to our RHS. Therefore we can write m equals to 5 upon 2 is root of given equation. So we had done our question number 4. Come to the question number 5. What is the fifth question? What is the fifth question? Find k if x equals to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. That means what? They had given you the value of x is 3. Just we have to put the value of x is 3 and we have to find the value of k. Now come and we'll find the answer for k. So we are putting value of x is 3, k into x square, that means k into 3 square minus 10 into x means 10 into 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, k into square of 3 is 9 minus 10 3 is a 30 plus 3 is equals to 0. 9k minus 30 plus 3, that means minus 27 is equals to 0. Now this, take this 27 on other side. 9k is equals to 27, therefore k is equals to 27 upon 9, therefore value of k is 9 3 is 27, value of k is 3. Now we'll see the last question of our exercise. Now I'll see the last question. What is the last question? One of the root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equals to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Similarly, now we had done like this. We have to put the value of m is minus 7 upon 5 and we have to find the value of k. So solution is dash is the root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equals to 0. So in this box we will write minus 7 upon 5. Put m equals to, again we have to write minus 7 upon 5. So we will write in equation 5 into m square, that means minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into m, that means minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. Now we have multiplied, I have solved here. Minus 7 square is 49 upon 5 means 25. Cancel with 5, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 into minus 7 is minus 14 upon 5 plus k. Plus k I am right here. So I am writing here. So the next box we will write 49 upon 5 plus minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. Now denominator is same, so we will write 5 at denominator. 49 minus 14. 49 minus 14 is, so 49 minus 14 is 35. 35 upon 5 plus k is equals to 0. It will get cancelled and minus 7 plus k is equals to 0. So value of k is minus 7. Value of k is minus 7. So like this we had completed our practice set 2.1.